Steve Morrison out of Clarendon.
And Michael.
Michael.
And Clive.
And Clive. Let me tell you about Safe Taxi Ride. Let us not forget Dalton with Dr. Docs.
Dr. Docs.
That's right. Listen.
Oh,
Dr.
yes.
Docs came to the rescue.
Yes.
Dr. Docs. Dr. Docs rescued us.
Yes. 5-star Airbnb on Spur Tree Hill.
Listen,
look it up.
5-star, because we weren't supposed to be at Dr. Docs at all, okay?
No, yeah.
And there was no way we could go back and forth every day from Clarendon to Siloah.
That's right.
It would have been a rough one. And Dr. Docs saved the day.
Yes.
Right? Dr. Docs totally saved the day.
Yes. And it's so beautiful.
Dr. Doc's beautiful.
Man, I tell you.
Listen.
And the scenery.
Listen, let me tell you, I don't think Dr. Docs is listening, so maybe you need to play it for him.
I'll
say, Dr. Docs, thank you for opening up your beautiful hacienda for us. Your beautiful mommy's hacienda for us.
Yes.
And everything was just superb. Right. So you heard when the next day I went up to mommy and I said to her, "Hey, mommy, like I'm gonna have to make a list of rules for him."
Yes.
Because if we need rules. You can't open your home to strangers without rules, right?
Yes.
And then I said, "Mommy, like he had those beers on the counter and all those alcohol. I don't know if you saw all the alcohol in the chest."
No,
and oh yes, honey. Let me tell Appleton. Okay. And I'm like, we weren't sure if we should drink it. She said, "Oh no, he wouldn't be happy. It's for you." I said, "No, we have got to make some rules for Dr. Doc."
Yes.
So, all those like Salas, the great people, the school that accommodated us.
The Siloah Primary School.
Siloah Primary School.
Big up Mr. Larmond.
Yes. Oh, let me tell you something about that.
Yes.
And I know the greenhouse was completely destroyed.
Yes.
But did you see let me tell you, the primary school farm?
Yes.
I was so impressed that this man have these primary school kids learning about farming and agriculture and things. Because me tell you, some of them pick me up. Like, I have to be asking, like, why this new generation so lazy?
Yeah.
So much land and them not farming.
Yeah.
So when I saw the primary school farm and the greenhouse that's completely damaged.
We need to get the greenhouse back.
Yeah. It was just absolutely, I was just in awe of everything that I fell in love with Siloah.
Yeah.
When I tell you I fell in love with the place, I fell in love with the place. It gave me hope for Jamaica.
Yeah. They use the word resilient a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And let me tell you, they surprised me too, because I'm like, they wake up every day and they do something.
Mm-hmm.
They do not have any money. Sometimes, because I was speaking to one of the ladies, and she said, sometimes she doesn't eat and so on, but she's still smiling. There was one day when I called my sister and I said to her, "Do we have anything in the house?" Because, we gave back a lot. We had like a couple shipments go down with food, clothes, tarp, bedding and so on, and food. And this lady came to my mind, and I'm not sure why. And I said, "Can you, just put us something together and bring it to her?" The lady called me and she was silent for a while. And she said her food had run out and she did not want to go and ask anybody anything. So she was willing to sit there and go without food before, as you said, they don't beg.
They don't beg.
They don't beg. They don't ask. So I said, well, enjoy it, and we're thinking about you. So yeah.
So, what does the future hold for Siloah? What does Kerry see in the future for Siloah?
Well, in speaking with the people of Siloah, what they want is industry back. And we looked at, okay, what does industry look like? Because you have the Appleton, we have no control over the Appleton. But there's a gentleman there that has